Another quality listing by Sabella Realty. Currently the only 2-bedroom for sale in this community. First floor beautifully kept condo is surrounded by manicured grounds within a small community. You have access to the beautiful, well-maintained pool. Kitchen has a big window that allows tons of light. Beautiful new tile. The floor plan incorporates 2 bedrooms. Both bedrooms have a walk-in closet. The generously proportioned interior flows effortlessly from the open-plan living space to the private screened-in lanai, where you can sit, drink coffee, enjoy a book and watch life walk on by. With its warm sense of community, and only minutes to shops, restaurants and drive to the sandy beaches. This home provides all the elements for relaxing, comfortable and easy care living. Bonus, brand new AC unit 2016. Hurricane windows and hurricane sliders. Prices for these condos are increasing with each sold unit, so take advantage now.